my new location. It's giving very much like, you know, World War Z, Walking Dead, like.
Your body's beat.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. Start to stutter and speed. Try to stand on my knees.
Hey y'all, so I am in the parking lot at my job, my new location. So far I love it. I did my first shadow with one of the kiddos. Super cute. Right now I'm on my lunch break. I need to actually hurry up and eat because I don't have that much time, but I did want to go and speak with you guys. So yeah, so far so good, and that's all I have to say right now. I want to eat really quick and then head back inside. Guys, I just made it to work for day 2 of shadowing, and today I get off at 5. So hopefully the kids been trying to go to the pool. I couldn't go yesterday. I'm gonna try to squeeze in some pool time today because we're supposed to have a tropical storm hit later this week. So this is our first official tropical storm in Florida. We've had tropical storms in the other states we lived in, but I heard Florida gets crazy. So my husband's gonna do the grocery shopping while I'm at work, and then we're gonna try to go to the pool. Then I have a meeting for school at 8, and then we're gonna see how the week goes because apparently a lot of stuff is supposed to close down. So yeah, let me get into work and I'll check back in with you guys later. Florida and a couple other states, surrounding states, are supposed to be getting hit with a hurricane, and then some of my family that are in Orlando were talking about a tornado. It's a lot happening right now. I literally, you know, haven't been here in Florida for like a full month yet, and we're already getting hit with storms. But I will say, this is the most craziest hurricane that I've ever seen. Like, one moment it is dark and it's cloudy, and now the sun is out. So I'm not sure if I should run and hide for shelter or go to the pool. Obviously, I'm not gonna go to the pool, but
Sliding door open.
sorry, that's my security system. But I just want to open this right here just to like let y'all see what I'm looking at. So it is super duper windy. I'm not gonna go all the way out, but like look at this, guys. Like, it's like very windy out, but it looks very nice out. So yeah, I'm gonna close that back so no bugs get in. But like, obviously, as the day progresses, the, you know, the news is saying it's supposed to get worse, but this is crazy. But like right now, my husband is outside helping the neighbor with their storm shutters, and then I think we're gonna put ours up too, just to be safe. A lot of the neighbors have put them up, and once they're done, I'll go out and like show you guys what they look like, what they're giving. Like, if you're someone that's like into like zombie apocalypse movies like me and my husband are, and my kids, it's giving very much that. It's giving very much like, you know, World War Z, Walking Dead. Like, yeah, you have to see these storm shutters. Like, I've never seen anything like it before, and so I'm like, when I saw it, I'm like, what is happening? But yeah, so, and then also there's this thing called, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the vlog, this thing called like, it's a Florida thing called hurricane parties. So me and my family are going to have our own version of it. I know one of the parents that came to pick up one of the kids where I work at were saying that they're just gonna like since it's fall, they're gonna watch like scary movies, have snacks and all that good stuff. I'm thinking about us like building a fort either in like the living room area or maybe in the loft area with the kids and like listen to music, watch some movies, play some games, and like just until the storm passes over. But we're gonna wait until it like the storm really picks up. That way, because I doubt that I'm gonna sleep. Like, I was so nervous last night, guys, that I packed evacuation bags for us. Like, not laughing because there are some places that are being evacuated, but it was really scary. Like, watching the news and like people like by the zones, and I don't know my zone yet because we just moved here. So yeah, but we do have our stuff packed. And thank you for everyone that, you know, called and messaged to check on us. Yeah, I was stressing out last night that I wasn't gonna be able to finish my homework assignments. I thought the power was gonna go out, but luckily I submitted everything and now I can just chill out and relax. School has officially been closed tomorrow. Unfortunately, my job is not closed, but we will see. I'm an essential worker. So yeah, I'm just hanging out, doing some editing, preparing for Vlogtober, and I will get back with you guys in a little while. Okay, close the door, close the door, close the door. Kill it! Kill it! Ew, not with your foot. Ew, now you got those socks away. Why? Hey guys, so I'm dressed and we're gonna go out and explore and see, you know, what's open, what's not, and then probably take the kids to get some ice cream. They've never had Italian ice, so like Rita's, that was like a big thing when I lived in Maryland as a kid, so they've never had it, so I'm glad they have one out here, so we're gonna go do that. As you saw, I put up their shower curtain, but I have no lining, the shower curtain lining, so I'm gonna get one of those. I gotta get one of those, but I did just want to see it hanging up, but it looks really cute. I did some laundry and changed the couch covers. So the couches, as I said before, they're older, but they're still really, really good couches, and I don't want to go broke buying a new couch right now. So, and then we just moved here, so this will be the couches for now. It's a really pretty color. This is the color that I kind of want to do downstairs, like a burgundy, gold, a little bit of black, you know, color scheme. So yeah, so we're gonna get ready to hang out. I'm gonna put my shoes on, turn this TV off, and head out. Guys, I made a Burger King rung, and look, there's 2 lizards. I don't know if you can see them. There's like one right here, and then there's one right there. Oh, look. They're really cute. They're cute until they get inside the house.